Think of variables like a magic box where we store values. Instead of repeating configurations, we let Ansible do the heavy lifting. Using variables makes automation elegant, playbooks reusable, and life much easier. If you've ever wished your scripts could be smarter, variables are your answer. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Ansible variables are like nicknames for values. They let you reference things easily instead of repeating them everywhere. They're stored in YAML format, which is simple yet powerful. Plus, the best part, they're flexible. If needed, they can be overridden, just like changing your mind about dinner plans. Nobody likes repeating themselves. Ansible variables eliminate that hassle. They make playbooks neat, maintainable, and adaptable. Need different settings for different environments? No problem. Variables allow dynamic changes, so you don't have to hard-code anything. It's automation with finesse. Declaring variables is as easy as writing a shopping list. Just use key-value pairs like username, admin. They live in playbooks, inventory files, or even separate files for better organization. And when you use them, wrap them in double curly braces like this. Simple, right? Welcome. Variables in playbooks are like secret ingredients in a recipe. Skip them, and suddenly things go wrong. Instead of hard-coding values, use variables to keep things flexible. Genya 2 syntax makes referencing easy, but make sure they are defined. Otherwise, your playbook might panic. Lastly, always test your variables unless you enjoy debugging at 2 a.m. Think of variables like puzzle pieces. When combined correctly, they create something amazing. Use merging for dynamic configs, dictionaries for structured data, and lists for multiple values. Filters help fine-tune everything to perfection. Just like building IKEA furniture, careful assembly leads to greatness. So mix wisely. Ever run into a missing variable issue? It's like showing up to work without your coffee. Total disaster. Setting default values ensures your playbook doesn't crash. The default filter is a lifesaver, ensuring smooth execution. Always define critical variables, because guessing is never a good strategy. A solid playbook is like a safety net, catching errors before they ruin the show. Naming variables isn't just a technical necessity. It's an art. Clear and descriptive names save you from future headaches. Special characters? Nope. Let's keep things clean. Stick to a consistent naming style so your future self doesn't curse you. And document everything, because memory fades, but good documentation lasts forever. Variables can be sneaky troublemakers. Undefined ones will break your playbook. It's like trying to drive with an empty fuel tank. Using the wrong data type is another classic mistake, leading to failure. Don't overcomplicate things. Sometimes simple is best. And always validate values before using them, unless you enjoy fixing mysterious bugs at midnight. Congrats, you made it to the end. Variables are your best friend in playbooks. They keep things flexible and efficient. Always reference and validate them properly to avoid chaos. Stick to best practices for smooth execution, and dodge those common pitfalls like a pro. Now go forth and write playbooks that are as flawless as your favorite playlist. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.